it's your ShauntéShaunté. So my sister ordered this Arcani Coil Care, the Enthroned edges, you know what I'm saying? And she uses me as a dummy all the time, so she was like, try it. And I was like, I'm your test dummy. And she was like, duh. So I'm gonna try it. On this side, I've been seeing mad ads on Instagram that is popping, so let's see. So you're supposed to put it on and then rub it until it's dry, and then it's supposed to keep your edges still. So let's see. It's soft. I'm gonna put the rest right here for now. I don't think I need all that. Okay, already it's laying down. Okay, this might be real, y'all. This might be real. It's tight too. I'm gonna brush it. So you're supposed to rub it until it's dry. I'm trying to get rid of that sheen. I can't really see the sheen when I look in the mirror, only when I look in the cameras. Alright. This is real. This is real, y'all. This is real. So you rub it until it's dry. I don't know if it's dry yet. How do I know when it's dry? Okay, I think you're dry. Maybe, I don't know. So I'm gonna do this too. Yeah, maybe it's not dry. It moved. It moved. Hold on. Okay. There's a fan literally right here, so. Okay. It ain't moving, y'all. Shit is real. Okay, I moved a little bit. Maybe I ain't put enough, but it really does hold. Good stuff, Arcani. Good stuff. Peace. I came back because I just have to say it really does feel tightened. Like, I feel like somebody just went like that to my ponytail. Alright, bye again. Bye. 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 I'm leaving.